Shenzhen Aiwejay Intelligent Technology Company Limited, founded in January 2016 in Shenzhen, China. Aiwejay is a Chinese high-tech enterprise dedicated to the manufacturing of electric toothbrushes and oral irrigators. We integrate R&D, design, and production into one streamlined process. Aiwejay upholds independent R&D, original design, and complete production control from motor manufacturing to final product delivery. To ensure the quality at every stage, we provide on-a-stop OEM services to help brand clients quickly capture market opportunities. Now Aiwejay has obtained 50 patents, with groundbreaking achievements in motor technology, low noise, high power, and deep cleaning capabilities that give every toothbrush core competitiveness. Our products are certified by CE, FCC, RoHS and so on, and our factory complies with ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 quality management systems, delivering safety and reliability trusted worldwide. Guided by our mission to promoting oral wellness, we introduce the patented U-shaped curved bristle planting technology, which enables full wrap kneading cleaning, which has been granted an invention patent. We also offer over 30 private mold options, including sweet vibration integration, UV sterilization, Bluetooth app control, and bone conduction to support full kyephonization with appearance, structure, and electronic functions. Craftsmanship as our mission. Aiwejay continues to merge smart technology with industrial aesthetics, offering consumers a healthier, more comfortable, and intelligent oral care experience. Choose Aiwejay, where quality is guaranteed, innovation is advanced, and the future is shared.